But first, let's get an update on Hurricane Dorian. Chief Meteorologist Patrick Vaughn is monitoring what may come next.
Dorian has been improving as far as its satellite and radar presentation all this evening, indicating that it is strengthening. Winds now up to 85 miles an hour. This is the latest information. As you can see, it's pulling away from Puerto Rico, and those cloud tops continue to grow. Another burst of convection on the southern semicircle, indicating that this storm has cloud tops that are around 80 degrees below zero. The colder those cloud tops, the stronger the convection, and that's what we're seeing. And one thing I wanted to show you on radar, this is about 75 miles to the north of San Juan, is that the eye has been contracting. And when that happens, the storm gets stronger. Earlier today, it was 17 miles wide. Now it's down to about 12 miles wide. So the smaller the eye, the stronger the storm. Also notice impressive feeder band pulling away from the U.S. and also the Virgin Islands, U.S. and British Virgin Islands. And again, the storm is forecast to become a Cat 2 tomorrow now, like I thought, and then head on into Florida. The Florida Atlantic coast as a Cat 3, somewhere around Melbourne. And then I believe it's going to head into the Gulf of Mexico. Hurricane Center taking this right on through with the consensus of models right on in through Central Florida. So what are the driving forces or the steering mechanisms? Well, it's going to be high pressure to the Four Corners and also the Bermuda High, which is expected to strengthen. We'll see a weakness generally in the north central Gulf of Mexico. Two areas I think it could go is the north central Gulf of Mexico to our east, or maybe under this high towards South Texas. Very early to speculate, and that's what I'm doing, but that's where I think the two areas of concern are as far as where this will make its second and last landfall coming up late next week. More on your Labor Day weekend forecast coming up on 12 News.